Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Chrome browser on Kali Linux. But before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start the video guys. So now I guide you how to download and install Chrome browser on your Kali Linux. First of all, open the terminal and type the command sudo apt update and hit the enter button from your keyboard. Wait 30 to 40 seconds. After package installation or upgradation, now you can type 3 commands for download and successful install of the Chrome browser. The first one is this. I just give you this command in my video description. Copy and paste in your Kali Linux terminal. The first command is very helpful. This command download Chrome browser from stable Chrome browser server. So wait. Now downloading is based on your stable and fast internet. So I wait here. So when your Chrome browser is downloaded, now you need to install the Chrome browser. So second command, I same like first command give you in my video description. So copy and paste here. Otherwise, this is the second command. So now you need to install the Chrome browser. So type this command. After typing this command, I simply give you third command in my video description. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. This will install Chrome browser on your Kali Linux. So finally guys, my Kali Linux is successful installed on my Kali Linux operating system. So now my Chrome browser is successfully installed on my Kali Linux operating system. I will show you the exactly, and I type C and now you can see Chrome browser installed. So how to open the Chrome browser from your terminal? There is two methods. First, in search bar, second type Google-Chrome and hit the enter button from your keyboard. Now you can see here guys, the welcome to Chrome browser option is show. You can see here, I click on the don't sign in, and guys, this is the Chrome browser. You need to simply use your terminal in Kali Linux. First of all, download. Secondly, you need to install the Chrome browser in your Kali Linux. So follow the exactly step-by-step process, all the terminal command and video description, and you can easily download, install and run Chrome browser on your Kali Linux operating system. Otherwise, you by default Mozilla Firefox browser is already available. You need to just change your zoom setting to 80. You need to make your theme like light or dark theme. So I select light theme. So follow the video, install Chrome browser on your Kali Linux. Like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.